Hello guys, bagong technique guys kung paano magluto ng tuyo guys. Yan guys oh. Yan. Bagong technique ito guys. First time may content guys. Ito lang yung makikita guys oh. Yan. Kita yun na guys. Yan, tingnan yung tuyo guys. Kulay brown na guys. Yan oh. Iba ng kulay guys, malapit na maluto. Ayan, kita nyo. Ayan. Galing guys, ayos yung technique namin guys. Wala pa ito sa iba guys, dito lang ito sa amin. Pwede na makain guys. Ayan. Only in the Philippines guys. And how to cook first time in the Philippines, the new technique. Dried fish. Ayan. Kabila namang mukha guys. Ayan.
Kabilang mukha. Ito mukha guys oh.
Yes. Sana maging 1 million ito guys. Yung viewers natin guys. Ito bagong technique guys. Ayan. Guys. Ako na guys. Ang bango guys. Kita nyo guys. Yan o. Ayos guys. Luto na yung tuyo natin guys. Pwede na ito makain.
Tamad.
Yung new technique ito guys. Yan guys.